Hello everyone and welcome back to AI Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to make popular videos in just 10 minutes by using the Invideo AI, a video editing tool that saves you time and can make you money. This AI gives you the chance to create high converting videos without spending hours on writing scripts or editing. Watch this step-by-step guide and I guarantee that you will be using Invideo today. But before we dive in, I got a special offer for you. Click the link in the video description to access Invideo completely free. Don't miss this chance to take your videos to the next level. Now, let's start. Step 1. Visit the Invideo website and do a traditional sign up. Just fill in your details and you're on the dashboard. That wasn't so hard, right?
You're right. You're absolutely right.
Step 2. So, the easiest way to make a video and to do it quickly is by accessing AI text to video option. Here you have a bunch of templates, so pick the one that you like. And if you don't like any of them, don't worry, you can change the scene later. Now pick the video resolution. I picked the portrait mode because I wanted to make a reel. Moving on, let's go to step 3. The most important step is number 3. It's the script. You can write one yourself, add links, or ask the AI to write you a script. Of course, I asked the AI, so let's see what it can do. Just type something you think is currently popular and click generate. And voila! The entire script is here. You get to read it, to edit it, and if you're too lazy to do that, the AI can shorten it for you. Step 4. This is where it gets exciting. All your scenes are here. You can change the text and the background video. Do a quick search of the video or image library and find the one that works best. Delete and add scenes with a single click. And the absolutely amazing thing is the voiceover. You can choose which realistic voice will be your narrator and do a voiceover for the entire video in a single click. This feature is a winner for me and saves me the trouble of narrating my videos. And when you play the video, it actually sounds like a real person is speaking. Now the fun continues as you can add text, change music, add elements, logos, adjust colors, and animate objects. No need for complicated video editing tools and searching the web for images, videos, content, music. Everything is here in one place.
Yes! That's awesome!
Now step 5. I'm happy with my video, so let's export it. The HD and the HD full versions are offered, but only if you upgrade your plan. So here's the real surprise, the pricing is only $15 a month. And you get to export 60 videos, meaning you can post 2 videos a day. Please don't forget to try out all the features of Invideo AI for free by clicking our link below. So, 5 simple steps and 10 minutes, that's all it takes and you'll get a completely new video with all the necessary elements. Upload your video and watch the views grow. Invideo is now my new best friend and I'm happy to share it with the rest of the world. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this step-by-step guide useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your new videos are waiting, so hurry up!